Hello everyone, I wanted to show you my 2012 Yamaha R1 in blue with Toce exhaust. The stock exhaust that comes in silver color, they're too bulky, too heavy, and they don't look really great. So I got these Toce exhaust from eBay, got it for real cheap for $350, pretty much in brand new condition. So I thought I'll just go ahead and install them and let me show you how cool they look. It completely changes the look of the bike. Well, when you install a Toce exhaust, you kind of have to change the tail light too. This one is synced with my turn signals, and without this, the exhaust won't fit. These are integrated tail lights. Let me turn it on and show you how it sounds. Okay. All right.